Many people believe that installing a solar energy storage system is complicated, requires professional expertise, and is very expensive. Today, we will show you how a 10 kilowatt solar energy system can be installed in just 30 minutes. Step 1. Install the solar mounting structure. Whether installed on a sloped roof or flat ground, we provide a complete aluminum mounting system, including rails, bases, connectors, and fasteners. Each component's dimensions and quantities are custom designed for each project. Installation is quick and easy. Simply follow the drawings and secure the components with screws. Step 2. Install the solar panels. Based on your energy demand and installation conditions, our team will select the most suitable panel size and design the most efficient system layout for your project. We provide solar panels ranging from 100 watts to 1,000 watts, suitable for both residential and commercial use. All panels are backed by a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. Step 3. Wiring and combiner box connection. We provide a pre-assembled combiner box based on your system configuration. No complicated wiring is required. Simply connect the cables according to the wiring diagram, and the work is completed. Step 4. Connect the all-in-one energy storage system. The inverter, battery, and controller are fully integrated into a single unit. No external devices are required. Simply connect the cables, and the system is ready to operate. That is all. The entire system is simple, efficient, and well integrated. If you are planning to install a solar energy system, please feel free to contact us. We are a professional solar energy equipment manufacturer with more than 10 years of industry experience. Simply send us your electricity bill or total load information, and we will quickly provide a customized system solution and quotation. For every project, we offer detailed installation drawings, step-by-step guidance, and one-on-one technical support from our engineers. Contact us now and get your custom solar solution today. System design and project cost evaluation are completely free.